problems, right? So based on indefinite integrals, some important problems, entrance problems. First problem, integration of cot x cos x whole to the power of n minus 1 divided by sin x whole to the power of n plus 1 dx. Cos x whole to the power of n minus 1 divided by sin x whole to the power of n plus 1 dx. This is one of the important problem. So how to do? Once you see here, integration of, so I will write it as cot x whole to the power of n, otherwise one more step extra also you can write cos x whole to the power of n into cos x whole to the power of minus 1 divided by sin x whole to the power of n into sin x into dx. Okay. Now that is equal to integration of cos by sin cot x whole to the power of n means cot power nx, and this is into 1 by sin x cos to the power of minus 1 is 1 by cos x. Now cot x, if you take t, differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So that's why, so cosecant square missing. So that's why you have to do multiplying and divide by cosecant square x. That is equal to integration of cot to the power of nx into cosecant square x, sin cosecant 1 get cancelled, cos x into cosecant x, one more, cosecant x is 1 by sin x, cos by sin means divided by cot x remaining. That is equal to integration of cot to the power of n minus 1x into cosecant square x dx. Now put cot x equal to t, differentiating with respect to x, minus cosecant square x dx equal to dt. That implies cosecant square x dx equal to minus dt. That is equal to integration of t to the power of n minus 1 x, n minus 1 into minus dt. So minus integration of this one is t to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 plus 1 plus c. These get cancelled. That is equal to minus 1 by n. T is cot. So cot to the power of nx plus c. This is our final answer. Next problem. Integration of x square by x to the power of 6 2x cube plus 2 into dx. Integration of x square by x to the power of 6 plus 2x cube plus 2. How to do? Once you see, this can be written as x square by x to the power of 3 whole square plus 2x cube plus 2 into dx. Here if you substitute, put x cube equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, 3x square dx equal to dt. X square dx equal to dt by 3. Substitute here, that is equal to 1 by 3 integration of x square dx is dt by 3, no? So dt already 1 by 3 taken. And now 1 by, this is t square plus 2t plus 2. That is equal to 1 by 3 integration of, this can be written as 1 by t plus 1 whole square plus 1. Can you write once you see? Now 1 by a tan inverse of x by a form, that is equal to 1 by 3 tan inverse of x means t plus 1 by a plus c, that is equal to 1 by 3 tan inverse of x is x cube plus 1 plus, this is our final. Next, third problem, integration of cos x plus x sin x divided by x into x plus cos x dx. All these are different problems. X plus cos x plus x sin x by x into x plus cos x. So how to do once you think? Here x plus cos x is there, into x is there. So here if you write in numerator cos x plus x plus x into sin x means adding plus x, subtracting x, divided by, so add and subtract with x, x into x plus cos x into dx. So these two one place and these two one another term, so split the terms by taking this as first term, taking this as second term, that is equal to integration of cos x plus x divided by x into x plus cos x dx. This is the first term, and the second term is plus integration of, here in these two x common, sin x minus 1 divided by x into x plus cos x dx. Now these two get cancelled. What is remaining here? Integration of 1 by x dx plus, here x get cancelled. Remaining is integration of sin x minus 1 by x plus cos x dx. Now this is 1 by x differentiation is log x plus, It is in the form of f dash x by f of x now once you see, but here 1 needed, here minus 1 needed, so that's why minus of, can you write this as, okay, next step we will do like that, integration of, if you multiply with minus, here minus 1 minus sin x divided by x plus cos x, can you write? If you take minus common in these two or multiply with minus, what you will get? 1 minus sin x. Now do the differentiation, differentiation of 1, x is 1, differentiation of cos is minus sin x, means it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log mod f of x plus c. So that's why this is log x minus log mod or log of x plus cos x plus c. It is in the form of again log a minus log b, that is equal to log of a by b, x by x plus cos x plus c. This is our answer. Next problem. Integration of sin 2x divided by a square plus b square sin square x dx. Integration of sin 2x divided by a square plus b square into sin square x. What we have to do for this? Once you see in this one, if you put a square plus b square sin square x equal to t, this total denominator if you take as t, so differentiation of a square is constant 0, differentiation of here b square is constant, differentiation of sin square 2 sin x, again differentiation of sin x is cos x dx equal to what? Dt. That implies, so this 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x equal to dt by b square. So sin into dx, so sin 2x into dx equal to dt by b square. So therefore integration of this sin 2x dx equal to what we can take? Dt by b square, and this total what you taken? T, so 1 by t, that is equal to 1 by b square, differentiation of 1 by t log t plus c, that is equal to 1 by b square log of t, t is a square plus b square sin square t, here x plus, this is our final. Next, integration of 3 cos x plus 2 sin x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx equal to, we did yesterday this type of problems, integration of 3 cos x plus 2 sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. How to do? Numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. So for that, numerator is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equal to a into d by dx of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus b into denominator 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. That implies 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equal to a into d by dx of denominator is 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus b into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. So comparing the cos x coefficients, here 3 and here 4a and here 5b. Next, comparing the sin x coefficients, sin x coefficient is 2, here minus 5a plus 4b. So take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So if you cancel any one term in this, if you multiply this one with 5, this one multiply with 4, so what you will get? So 15 equal to 20a plus 25b, and if you multiply with 4, 8 equal to minus 20a plus 16b, cancel. Here what you will get? 23 equal to, so this is 3041b, right? Now b equal to, that implies b equal to 23 by 41. Next, for getting a, so 2 equal to minus 5 into a plus 4 into b, 23 by 41, right? So b equal to 23 by 41, and substitute this b value in this equation, 2 equal to minus 5a plus 4 into 23 by 41. Now you will get the a value. So this one this side, so 5a you will get, that is equal to this one this side with this one this side. So 4 into 23, so 4 into 23 by 41 minus 2, right? 23 92 92 minus, so 82 divided by 41, this is 5a. 5a equal to 10 by 41, a equal to 2 by 41. So these two values, where we have to substitute? Here in this equation, take this as equation number a. So therefore a becomes 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equal to, a is 2 by 41, 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus b equal to 23 by 41, 4 cos x, 4 sin x, 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. So this is nothing but numerator of the given integrand. So there you replace. Therefore, integration of 3 cos x plus 2 sin x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx equal to. So in place of this one, you have to substitute 2 by 41 integration of 4 cos x minus 5 sin x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx plus 23 by 41 integration of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. So these two get cancelled. Here f dash x by f of x form. So 2 by 41 log of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus 23 by 41, this is 1 remaining, so x plus. So this b how to find? Yesterday we taken AD plus BD. AD plus BD means AC plus BD. 12 plus this one divided by C square plus B square. So if you take like this, A cos x integration of 3 cos x, that should be like this. To get the A and B values directly, this should be in the form of like this. So here cos, here sin. So 15 plus 8, 23 by 5 square plus 4 square. And for getting A, so AD minus BC, 12 minus 10, 3 into 4, 12 minus 10, 2 by 40. So here what? AD minus BC by C square plus D square, you can write directly from this one. You don't want to calculate all these means. And this one how to get? So AC plus BD by C square plus D square. If you treat this as what? Integration of A cos x plus B sin x divided by C cos x plus D sin x into dx. Next problem. Integration of cos x by x minus sin x into log x dx. Integration of cos x by x minus sin x into log x. This is also one of the important problem. First, to split the terms, take the integration separately. Integration of cos x by x minus into dx, integration of sin x into log x dx. So this one as it is you write down, for this one you apply the by parts. Here you take f of x equal to cos x, g of x equal to 1 by x. Now what is the by parts formula? Integration of f of x g of x dx equal to f of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of d by dx of f of x integration of g of x dx whole into dx, like this. So if you apply that formula for the first term only, so f of x cos x integration of 1 by x dx minus integration of d by dx of f of x cos x integration of g of x 1 by x dx whole into dx, that is equal to cos x integration of 1 by x is log x minus differentiation of cos x minus sin x, here log x dx minus what is there, integration of sin x log x dx, minus of minus plus this one and this minus get cancelled, what is remaining, cos x log x plus this is remaining. Integration of e power x into x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square into dx. So how to do? This is also one of the important problem. So we have one condition, f of x in e power x into by parts only, one condition you taken, this one equal to, how to write, if you separate e power x f of x, e power f dash x, like previous problem, for these two only by parts if you apply get cancel, finally what we will get, based on this one we did some problems also, e power x into f of x plus c, right. Whenever e power x into one function and differentiation of that function here is there, means how to write e power x into f of x plus c we have to write. So but it is not directly in the form of f of x plus f dash x, e power x is there but it is not in the form of f of x plus f dash x, we have to write like that. So how to write, that is equal to integration of e power x into x square plus 1 adding minus 1 and subtracting minus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square into dx, that is equal to integration of e power x into, take these two at one place, x square minus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into dx, that is equal to integration of e power x into, so this one term and this is second term, so x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into dx, that is equal to integration of e power x into, here a plus b into a minus b, x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square, 1 and x plus 1 get cancelled, what is remaining, e power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x minus 1 whole square into dx. Now, if you do the differentiation for this one, what you will get? This one only will get, because here f of x equal to what? X minus 1 by x plus 1. Do the differentiation u by v formula. If you apply x plus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. So, that is equal to 2 by x plus 1 whole square. So, directly getting. So, that is why what is the answer here? E power x into x minus 1 by x plus 1, because e power x into f of x f dash x is there, means e power x into f of x. Here f of x is x minus 1 by x plus 1. Next problem, integration of 1 by sin x into root of sin x into cos x dx. Integration of 1 by sin x into root of sin x into cos x. How to do? Integration of 1 by sin x. How to write? Cosecant x divided by root of sin x into cos x. Now, here if it is cosecant square, then here this one we have to make cot x, like previous problem, one problem we did. Cot x equal to t means differentiation of cot x is cosecant square x. So, that is why here one more cosecant x needed. So, that is why multiply and divide by cosecant x, that is equal to integration of, here what will get? Cosecant square x. Whenever cosecant square x is there, so in remaining function cot x is there, means cot x equal to t. If you take cosecant square x dx equal to dt. So, for that you do like this. This cosecant x take inside the root. So, sin x into cos x, inside the root if you take, here what will get? Cosecant square x, right? One sin x and cosecant x cancel, one more cosecant x remaining into dx, that is equal to integration of cosecant square x divided by root of, here cos x is there and 1 by sin x is there. So, that is cot x dx. Now, what we have to do? Put cot x equal to t. So, minus cosecant square x dx equal to dt. So, that implies cosecant square x dx equal to minus dt. Now, that implies this information if you substitute in given integral, what you will get? Minus dt divided by root t you will get, that is equal to minus t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt. Integrate minus of t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So, this is 1 by 2 means minus 2 into t to the power of 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 2 into t is cot x. So, root cot x you will get plus, this is our answer. Next, integration of e power x into cot x minus cot square x dx. E power x into cot x minus cot square x dx. So this is also by this formula prop. Integration of this condition is there. E power x into f of x plus f dash x into dx equal to what? E power x into f of x plus c. That is equal to integration of e power x equal to get that formula directly. This is not in the form of e power x into f of x plus f dash x. So that's why add 1 plus cot x plus minus cot square x and here plus 1, adding and subtracting. So here I will take as minus 1. So like this, one more step, minus cot square x minus 1 into dx, adding and subtracting. That is equal to integration of e power x 1 plus cot x as first term, one function. In these two minus, if you take common, what you will get? Cot square x plus 1 you will get into dx. That is equal to integration of e power x into 1 plus cot x. 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. So cosecant square x. So here minus cosecant square x I will write. So into dx. Once again see, adding and subtracting 1, and in these two minus common, 1 plus cot square cosecant square. But this minus I will take to this one here. So here plus I will take. Now once you observe, f of x equal to 1 plus cot x, f dash of x equal to what? Minus cosecant square x. So this is f of x, this is f dash x. Now it is in the form of e power x into f of x, f dash x. So therefore, what is the answer? You can take e power x into f of x. F of x is 1 plus cot x plus. Next problem, integration of e power x into x power x into 2 plus log x dx. Integration of e power x into x power x into 2 plus log x dx. So how to do this? That is equal to integration of e power x into multiply this x inside x power x to x power x plus x power x into log x dx. That is equal to integration of e power x into this 2 e power x, you write it as x power x plus x power x and x power x into log x dx. So from these two x power x, if you take common, integration of e power x into x power x plus x power x common 1 plus log x into dx. Now this is f of x f of x equal to x power x. And if you do the differentiation taking log on both the sides, if you do the differentiation, what you will get? X power x into 1 plus log x you will get. So that's why this is f of x, this is f dash x. So answer is what? E power x into x power plus c. Next problem. Integration of e power x minus 1 divided by e power x plus 1 dx equal to f of x plus c, then f of x equal to nothing but integration of e power x minus 1 by e power x plus 1. This is one of the important problem. So this can be written as integration of, split the terms, e power x by e power x plus 1 dx minus integration of 1 by e power x plus 1 dx. Once you observe, it is in the form of what? F dash x by f of x form. So this is f of x. If you take differentiation of e power x plus 1 is e power x. So f dash x by f of x form is log of f of x. So log of e power x plus 1 minus. To do integration, this one many methods are there, but if you follow this one easily you will get. Whenever 1 by e power x form is there, means this one you take as 1 by, again like this 1 by. So this can be written as 1 by e power minus x, right? Suppose e power minus x is there, means 1 by e power x you write down. So 1 by e power minus x plus 1 into dx, that is equal to log of e power x plus 1 minus, take the LCM. If you take the LCM here, you will get e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus x into dx. Now if you do the differentiation for this one, what you will get? Minus e power x you will get. So that's why what I will take this as log of e power x plus 1, here plus, if you take here minus, you will get minus e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus x dx, right? Now do the differentiation for this one you will get. So now it is in the form of f dash x by f of x form, that is equal to log of e power x plus 1 plus log of 1 plus e power minus x plus c. This is our final answer. Still you can simplify this one. So log this one, if you write 1 by e power x like this, so this is as it is log of e power x plus 1, and again if you simplify this one, plus log of 1 plus 1 by e power x you can write plus c, that is equal to log of, so e power x plus 1, again it is log of e power x plus 1 by e power x plus c, that is equal to log of e power x plus 1 log a by b form or log m by m form. By that formula, log of e power x plus 1 minus log of e power x plus c. So log of e power x plus 1 log of e power x plus 1 equal to 2 into log of e power x plus 1 and this can be written as minus x into log e. So like this, log of a power m equal to m into log a by this formula plus c. Log e value is 1. So that's why finally 2 log e power x plus x minus x plus c. This is our answer. This is f of x. 2 log of e power x plus 1 minus x. integration of 4 secant square x into tan x divided by secant square x plus tan square x into dx. Integration of 4 secant square x into tan x by secant square x plus tan square x. For this, what we have to do? Put denominator secant square x plus tan square x equal to t. Differentiation of secant square x is 2 secant x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x, plus differentiation of tan square x is 2 tan x, and again differentiation of tan x is secant square x dx equal to dt. Now, if you simplify this one, 2 secant square x tan x, 2 secant square x tan x is nothing but 4 secant square x tan x, directly numerator getting equal to dt. So, therefore, given integral becomes dt by t, that is equal to log mod t plus c, that is equal to log of t is secant square x plus tan square x plus, this is our final answer. Okay. So, like this you can do some entrance problems. In that entrance, some important problems we discussed. In the next class, some more problems we will discuss. Okay, no?